Hi friends, in this video I will explain distribution board connections and rating of each MCB and how to select proper rating of the MCBs for subcircuits. It is neutral bus bar. We will connect the meter neutral and neutral of the all loads will be connected to this neutral bus bar. And it is earth bus bar. We will connect all earth points to this bus bar. Now we are fixing the MCBs. It is 40 amps MCB. A single pole MCBs are 16 amps and 20 amps rating. 40 amps is 2 pole MCB. We will fix all these MCBs like this. In this distribution board, we are using 8 number single pole MCBs and 1 2 pole MCB. We will use these MCBs for switching purpose and protection purpose. We will use the MCBs for thermal protection or overload protection and short circuit protection. In olden days, we used fuses for protection purpose. This is the bus bar. We will use this bus bar to give supply from outgoing of the 2 pole MCB to incoming of the single pole MCB. This is how supply is given from meter to 2 pole MCB incoming, and we will give outgoing of the 2 pole MCB to incoming of the single pole MCB by using this bus bar. Now just observe how this bus bar make connections to all MCBs, 2 pole MCB and single pole MCB. These are different make. 2 pole MCB is different make or different company. We have replaced it. Just observe how to connect. Okay, we will give connections like this, or we will connect this bus bar like this. Okay, now we will remove this 2 pole MCB because it's different company. We have to use the same company to make the connections. Now I will show you how to give earth connections. So from three pin sockets, we will get all these green wires. We will give green wires to this earth bus bar, and earth bus bar will be connected to the earthing points. In one more video, I will explain how to give earthing also. Just observe how to give earth connection. The color is green. So from all 3 pin sockets, we will get these green wires and we will give connections to this earth bus bar. After giving all these connections, we will give neutral connections to the neutral bus bar. We use this grey color wires for inverter use. If you use inverter, you use this grey color wires to give supply from inverter to MCB. Now I will explain how to give earth connections. I will explain how to give neutral connections. Black color wires are neutral points from each room. We are giving these connections to all connections to neutral bus bar. From each room, we are getting one neutral wire. So all neutral are connected to this neutral bus bar. Now from upper side of the single pole MCB we will take the outgoing supply. So red wires are phase wires. We will connect all red wires, red color wires to this outgoing of the single pole MCB. Incoming is connected lower side, downside is incoming, upper side is outgoing. Okay, this is incoming. We will connect incoming like this from 2 pole MCB to single pole. Now we will give outgoing supply. We are giving outgoing supply. For 10 amps load we use 16 amps MCB. For 16 amps load we use 20 amps MCB. So sub circuits are connected to MCBs. 2 sub circuits or 3 sub circuits depending upon the load. It may be connected to 16 amps or 20 amps. If load is more, it will be connected to 20 amps. Depending upon the load, we will give connections. This is 20 amps mini MCB used for ACs in room itself. For giving connections to this ACs, we will take supply from the incoming of the MCBs in the distribution board, not outgoing. Okay, now I am showing how to give incoming supply to 2 pole MCB. For 2 pole MCB incoming supply, from outgoing we give bus bar connections. We are using bus bar, and also you can observe two black color wires for AC incomings directly to the ACs, not from outgoing. We will get it from the incoming of the MCBs. Neutral of the 2 pole MCB will be connected to the neutral bus bar. Okay, thanks for watching the video.